They're nice, beautiful. We can have always stop by and sleep and go. Oh, diba?
That's true.
Tingnan mo, oh. Tingnan mo, oh. Oh. Sa mga taniman ng ubas, oh. Grabe, ang ganda, no? Taniman lahat ng ubas yan. Ayan, anong daan? Wow, ang ganda. Ganda ng mga taniman nila. Look. This one is also a nice village. Village. And look, they have also a nice like castles. I think it's a
Ruin.
castle. Ang ganda ng simbahan nila, ah.